I'm here this morning with Steve Jennings, Vice President, Brooks Brothers Trailers. Steve, what do we got going here this morning?
So today we are beginning the erection of our new test field for our overhead and underground stringing equipment. We've got our local cooperative, Quiver River Electric, out here. We're setting some 30-foot Class 5 utility poles. We're going to have about 7 poles total. We're going to be able to string about 600 foot total of line, overhead line. So it's going to be really cool.
Is this for us to test equipment, or for customers to demo, or what's the purpose for the test field?
Kind of both. So we could test our equipment, get some real practical results, and then we could fly customers in when they may not have wire to pull and demo equipment on site.
So if customers are in, even for a shop visit, they can tour the place and set up a couple pieces of equipment out here, see them in action.
Yeah, the idea is that we're going to have 2 pieces of equipment, a puller and a tensioner on one end, and we're going to pull kind of in a horseshoe pattern. And so we'll be able to put some high tension on the line and really get them a good look at how the equipment works in real life action.
Looks like we've got 3 poles down each side, and then we'll basically do a horseshoe shape and get 600 or 700 feet of pulling.
Yep. So we're going to get the overhead portion set first, and then we're going to come back and we're going to bore the underground section right down the middle, and we'll have a pull pit at the end where we can test some of our underground blowing attachments and the manhole jib and things like that.
So do some underground conduit work for the underground units scenario.
We're going to do our best to basically give every scenario possible, so they can see. A lot of times it's difficult for customers that are interested in a machine to have a job ready to go and all the stars to align. At least at this point, we could bring them in, give them every scenario possible, and really give them a look at what the equipment does and what its purpose is.
Yeah, that's fantastic. Yeah, this should be really good, and just to let guys get on the machine, kind of like the expo show. You know, just get on the machine, work the controls, and make sure they understand the operation.
That's right. Yep.
It'd be really good. Yeah, it's nice to have our local co-op out here giving us some help today. And
they're doing a great job. They've got some nice equipment here that they're running too, and I'd say they'll have this knocked out before lunchtime.
Nice. Well, I appreciate it, Steve. And
absolutely.
We'll just come back periodically as we make improvements on this and let people know when it's ready. And we hope to see you guys out here testing out some equipment.
Sounds great.
Thanks, Steve.
Yep.